The NEC has adopted the TNDC findings, and the same have been communicated to the affected parties. We have accordingly resolved to adopt the findings of TNDC as follows. One, that is a complaint of 2023 Jubilee Party versus Honorable Jeremiah Kioni. The committee found that Honorable Kioni is guilty of the following charges. A, gross misconduct. Article 14.311 provides that lack of respect for organs of the party is indiscipline. No organ of the party was spared by the member in this disregard. 2, he lacked respect for the party organs. The charged member, by assuming duties which are clear and expressly the express provision vested upon other organs and officials of the party. C, he failed and neglected to carry out his duties as directed by the party. The member failed to call a NEC meeting as expected of his duties under this constitution. You may note that since we were put in office on the 26th of February last year, there was no NEC meeting that was done for a whole 1 year until the NEC that we did on the 10th. A, the charged member is hereby expelled from the party effective from the date of this decision. B, no order as to the cost. The second complaint of 2023, that is Jubilee Party versus Honorable David Murathe. The charged member was found guilty of both charges of A, gross misconduct, and B, lack of respect to the decisions of party and organs of the party. The sanctions under Article 14.4 of the party constitution stipulates that A, the charged member is hereby expelled from the party effective from the date of this decision. The third complaint of 2023, that is Jubilee Party versus Mr. Kagwe Gichohi. The charged member was found guilty of all the three charges of A, gross misconduct, B, failing, refusing, or neglecting to carry out directives, all instructions of the party, and C, lack of respect to the decisions of the party and organs of the party. 2, the committee found that the penalty to expel the member may be too harsh in the circumstances, but was also alive to the danger posed to the party for failing to comply with the financial requirements to qualify for disbursement of political parties fund and the compliance to be set to be triggered by the charged member. Sanctions under Article 14.4 of the party constitution. The charged member shall be suspended from Jubilee Party for a period of 2 years commencing from the date of this judgment.